Hello everyone, this is That Clock Guy 432. I'm going to do another clock chime video. This time there's going to be two clocks. Well, one clock plus my korg kross, which is going to be synthesizing a clock chime. We got the Dakota battery-powered clock, and we got the korg kross synthesizing a clock chime. You're going to hear that in a little bit too. So, and yes, tomorrow I'll probably synthesize more clock chimes on the... Oh, and there goes the korg kross. And actually, the new chime rod sounds I made are actually a little bit better than the actual chime rods I showed y'all earlier in another past video. Yes, that's the... And I'll do another video tomorrow with I'll synthesize more chime rod sounds and make it sound like I actually have a bunch of clocks in my room. So yes, that's the korg kross clock. And there is the Dakota. Give you all an overview of this clock. And yes, this is the clock that I got for Hanukkah. And so, yep, I was actually very excited when I first got this clock. It's a very beautiful clock. While I'm at it, I will show you all the back of the clock in more detail. This is actually not a pendulum clock. It's got the wheel in there. There's the inside of the clock. So this is actually a battery-powered clock. You see there's a balance wheel in there. There's the batteries, there's the speaker down there, and the speaker's actually on the bottom. I don't think I have the set of instructions in there, but there's the speaker down at the bottom. So yep, there's my mantel clock. Let me turn it back around. So yep, there it is. That was my clock video for today. And yes, tomorrow I'll actually do more clock sounds on the korg kross, and I'll make a video at the same time tomorrow, and probably y'all will probably think it sounds kind of like I have real clocks in my room. So yes, thank you for watching.